Hey everybody, well since my last ramen recipe did good, I thought I'll bring you guys another ramen recipe since I had some more ramen noodles. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Korean beef ramen noodle bowls. It's quick and easy, doesn't require too much prep, too many ingredients, and you can totally customize this the way you like. So I have here my ground beef and I'm heating my cast iron skillet on high heat. I'm going to add my ground beef. If you want to use ground turkey, ground chicken, you could. If you want to leave it out, or you can use ground mushrooms in place of this, or tofu. You know, it'll pretty much work the same. This is pretty good with ground pork as well, but we're going to do traditional ground beef. So my ground beef has cooked in the pan for about a minute or two, so I'm just going to take my wooden spoon and just crumble this up. The ground beef is almost done, and as you see, it's pretty much brown and broken apart. And you want to keep it as crumble as you can. So what I'm going to do is just take a ladle, and I'm just going to spoon out some of the fat from the pan here. And just try to leave behind about a tablespoon or so of that fat from the ground beef. So I'm going to turn the heat to high. I'm going to finish browning the ground beef, but before it's finished completely browning, I'm going to add my garlic. We're not going to add any salt because we're going to be adding soy sauce, and that's going to be all of our salt. Okay, next thing we're going to add to our beef here is soy sauce. But I know it's a lot, but remember this is going to be our only salt. And Korean beef is sweet, salty, and spicy. Not super salty, but just, the right balance. The brown sugar, if you want to adjust the amount of brown sugar, feel free, but this is the standard amount for traditional Korean beef recipe. Give everything a stir, and then our final thing we're going to add to the beef is some red pepper flakes. I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm just going to stir so everything is just well coated with that sweet savory mixture of brown sugar and soy sauce. So now I'm going to remove it from the heat and set it aside. So I have my Japanese style ramen noodles, and if you look at my last ramen video, it's chicken ramen, the 30-minute one. I show you the difference between the organic and the regular Japanese style ramen. So today I'm going to be using the Japanese style versus the organic one that I used before. So these are not individually wrapped as I showed you in the previous video. They're all bound together in one pack. So I'm going to just pull out a bundle, and I have some beef stock that I brought to a boil, and I'm just going to add my ramen noodles to the beef stock, and it takes 3 minutes for the ramen noodles to cook. So I'm just going to continue to cook the noodles until they're pretty much tender. So we'll be back. Okay, so my ramen noodles are done, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to prepare my ramen noodle bowls. I'm going to pour my noodles into my bowl with some of that lovely beef stock, and then I have some other mise en place here that I prepped. I have here some shredded cabbage that I'm going to add just to the side of my ramen. You can use bok choy. I have here some snow peas. I have a few of them. It's a nice contrast to have that in your soup. It's healthy, it's delicious. I have some bean sprouts, which is also absolutely healthy and delicious. I'm going to add some carrots. I'm going to add the carrots right here along with that cabbage to give it a little bit of contrast. Then our Korean beef. Just spoon that right here on the side. And also some green onion. Okay, it's just a way to garnish it. It's just going to pull the noodles up so that the noodles can be seen. which makes the dish more attractive. I'm also gonna just sprinkle a little bit of parsley, sesame seeds. If you can't do sesame seeds, of course you can leave them out. And then as a final garnish, I'll add a little drop of soy sauce, and you can add also some sesame oil to this if you like. Here's our beautiful dish. Please add this video to your playlist and share it if you enjoyed it. And leave a comment down below, hit a thumbs up please, and I appreciate all of you guys for watching and supporting my channel. So I'm going to give everything a mix together. As you see, the aroma from this is really amazing. So let's give this a taste. Beautiful, look at that. This is so delicious. That nice crisp from the snow peas. Really amazing. That sweet and savoriness from the beef really makes this dish really amazing. It's quick, easy, healthy, and can be thrown together in no time. There you have it guys, how to make Korean beef ramen bowls. If you have any recipe requests or questions or comments, please leave it down in the comments section and I will respond to you as soon as I can. And please remember to live and be well. Let's come together and love each other because the world is really falling apart, guys. And remember to keep encouraging, keep loving, and keep supporting.